Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome to our second PU Computer Science online classes. In last class, we discussed some important topic that is from Boolean algebra, min term, and also we know that to our 2 variable K-map, 3 variable K-map, and also the 4 variable K-map how to use. And we know that the min term definition. The min term definition is a min term is a product of all the literals with or without the bar within the logic system. And also we know that what about the complementation, how to use the complementation, to which variable we are going to use the complementation, and without complementation maybe the value 0 is there in the SOP sum of the product, we are going to use the complementation. Maybe if one value is there, we are not going to use the complementation. So this is most important note about our min term, that is called as the SOP. Full form of the SOP is the sum of the products. Okay, now we know that each and everything that is from the SOP sum of the product, that is from min term. Now let's, in today's class we are going to discuss, we are going to learn some most important, next important topic, that is about our POS, and we know the full form of the POS, product of the sum. So the concept, rules for POS reduction. Okay, the rules for POS reduction. So the side point we can say as the deriving POS Boolean expression using the K-map. Okay, the Boolean expression using the K-map. So in this class I am going to tell how to use 2 variable K-map in our POS reduction using K-map. Okay, 2 variable, 3 variable using K-map, and also about our 4 variable using K-map. Now the 2 variable using K-map, we know maybe the variable name that is X and Y, or maybe you can take the variable name as the A and B, but 2 variables are there, X and Y, or A and B, 2 variables are there here. So we know that if it is 2 variables, then how many squares we need to complete the K-map, correct? No? So we need 2 to the power of 2. We know how to calculate the number of the square, the total number of the square, that is equal to 2 variable and into 2 into 2 to the power of number of the variables. So 2 variable, 2 to the power of 2, that is equal to the 4 squares. Okay, the 4 squares. So in this I already completed by using the 4 squares, and I used the numbering scheme as 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, numbering scheme 0, 1, 2, 3. And also in the left side, one set for the X, and at the top of the one set for the Y. And in our left, I am using the value as 0 and 1, and at the top of the K-map also I am using the value as the 0 and 1. And we know that the max term, before going to write how to take the complementation, or where to take the complementation, or where we are not using the complementation, we will get in the definition of the max term. We know the definition or the meaning of the max term. A max term is a sum, S-U-M, sum of all the literals with or without the bar within the logic system. So this is the definition of the max term. But what about the complementation and no complementation? So we can say that in POS, the POS that is called as the max terms. So in POS, the max terms are used here. So if value of the variable is 1, then complementation or complement or is going to add its complementation. Clear this point here? So in our min term, how we are going to take? That means for variable with value 0, we are using the complementation. But max term, we need to reverse the meaning of the min term. So in max term, we can say that if value of the variable is 1, then complement is added, otherwise the variable is added as it is. Okay, so this is about the max term. By using the rule of the max term, I am going to complete the 2 variable, 3 variable as well as the last, that is called as the 4 variable K map. Okay, so the left side 0 and 1 and our right side at the top of the K map 0 and 1, and we know that I already said, so just value 0 is that I am not going to use the complementation. Maybe value 1 is that, then sure I am using the complementation. Clear this point here? So I am using the complementation of x, and in case of the at the top of the K map 0, just I am using the y. Okay, but maybe the value is 1. How we are going to take? We are using as the complementation of y. Okay, the complementation of the y. So this is about our left side 0 and 1 value, and at the top of the 0 and 1 value, that is depend on the variable x and y here. Now for our the number square, the numbering scheme 0, how we are going to use? So I am taking as the x plus y. Clear this point here? So left side variable and also top side variable I am going to take, and I am using the 0 numbering scheme. Clear? And later just to complete the numbering scheme 1, so I am taking the left side value x plus, and just later next one complement of y. So left side and the top of the K map, that is complement of y. And later next one, maybe to complete the numbering scheme 2, I am taking the left side. In left side the variable is the complement of x here plus just only the y. Clear this point here? We know that it is the sum of all the products, sum of all the literals with or without the bar within the logic system. In our min term we are using the dot, but in case of the max term we are using the plus. Should remember it. Clear this point here? So x plus y, maybe it's a min term. How we are going to take? You are taking x dot y, but it is a max term 2 variable K map. The left side also at the top of the K map, which variable is that? Such variable we need to take. So the complement of x plus y here, and just to complete the numbering scheme 3. Okay, here I am taking the complement of x here, complement of x plus complement of y. Now we completed 2 variable K map. Clear this point here? How the left side value and also at the top of the K map, whatever the variable is that, depend on the variable I am going to complete the numbering scheme. The 4 squares K map in our 2 variable 0, 1, 2, 3. Clear this point here? 0, 1, 2, 3. Now after completing, now we are going to complete our 3 variable K map. Maybe the variable name is x, y, z, or maybe the variable name is ABC. No any effect in the variable, but the number but the name of the variable is ABC. Should we need to take the ABC only here? Maybe the variable name is XYZ. That means sure we are going to take the variable name as the XYZ. Okay. Now 3 variable K map. We know that just to get 3 variable K map, how many squares we need? That means the total number of squares is equal to 2 to the power of number of the variables. So the number of variables are 3. So when you are going to multiply 2 into 2 into 2, then sure we'll get the how many squares? The squares are the 8 squares. Clear this point here? Total number of squares are 8 squares here, and we know that this is the x set, correct? No? And this one at the top of the K map, it is the YZ set, and the left side we using the value as the 0, 1 here, and at the top of the K map or upper side of the K map, the binary code, gray code or binary numbers are going to use, and the numbering scheme we are using 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Clear this point? First of all 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, but at the left side 0 and 1. Clear? The 0, 1. But at the top 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And the numbering scheme, we need to notice the numbering scheme are 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Clear? 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. So this is the numbering scheme. Okay. And we know that we have to take the complementation in POS, and what about no complementation? 0, I am not going to use the complementation. For variable 1, sure, I am using the complementation. Now I am going to complete the YZ set. So the YZ set I am using Y plus Z, okay, and Y plus complement Z. Y complement plus Z complement, and later next one Y complement plus Z. So this is about wherever the value 1, or if value of the variable is 1, then complementation is added. Clear this point here? It takes the complementation here. Clear this point? So this is about our POS. Now after knowing all those, now I am going to complete the value, that is x plus y plus z, x plus y plus complement z here, x plus complement y plus complement z, and plus complement y plus z. Okay, so this is about our z, and later next one. Now I am going to complete the next. I am taking left side and the top side K map values variable. Okay, so complement x plus y plus z, and complement x plus y plus complement z, and complement x plus complement y plus complement z. So should remember it. In our 7th number, the value will get 1, 1, 1. So sure we can say it is the result is correct. We are working in a correct manner. Okay, complement x plus complement y plus complement z, and later next one complement x, complement y plus, and lastly the z. So this is our 3 variable K map. Maybe the variable name are ABC, or maybe the variable name maybe any XYZ. There is no any effect, but also we need to use one side is the X set and another side at the top we are taking as the YZ set. Okay, here, and left side 0, 1, and also at the top 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and numbering scheme 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Okay, now we completed the 2 variable K map. Now let's, what about our 4 variable K map? Clear this one? 2 we already completed, 3. Now just completed the 3 variable K map. Now we are in the concept the 4 variable K map, and maybe the 4 variable K map names or the variable names are WXYZ or ABCD. So we need to take in the left side the binary code, binary numbers, gray code. The numbers are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Top side also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And numbering scheme going to use 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. So this is the numbering scheme for our 4 variable K map. And we know that how to take W plus X. Clear? So W and X set, first of all I am going to complete. So W plus X and W plus complement of X. Clear this point? Complement W plus complement of X, complement W plus X. Clear? So where the value 1 is there, I am using the complementation in our POS max term notation. Clear? The max term method. And later next one the Y plus Z. Okay, later next one Y plus complement Z, and complement Y plus complement Z, complement Y plus Z. So this is now just we completed the left side value and also with the top side value here. Now the total value I am going to take, so WX plus Y plus Z. Okay, and later next one W plus X plus Y plus complement Z, later the W plus X plus complement Y plus complement Z, W plus X plus complement Y plus Z. Later the W plus complement X plus Y plus Z, W plus complement x plus y plus complement z, w plus complement x plus complement y plus complement z, w plus complement x plus complement y plus z. Okay, now we completed 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Now I am going to complete 12, 13, 14. So complement w plus complement x plus y plus z, left side, top side. Complement w plus complement x plus y plus complement z, complement w plus complement x plus complement y plus complement z. In 15 we will get 4 ones. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Complement w plus complement x plus complement y plus complement z, and later complement w plus complement x plus complement y plus z, and later complement w plus x plus y plus z, complement w plus x plus y plus complement z, and complement w x plus complement y plus z, and lastly complement w plus x plus complement y plus z. Okay, now this is our 4 variable K map. So clear this point here. So 2 variable, just 4 squares, numbering scheme 0, 1, 3, 2, 3 variable, 3 variables. So 8 squares 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 4 variable, total 16 squares, and numbering scheme 0, 0, 0, 1, and later next one 1, 1, 1, 0, top side also the same binary code, and the numbering scheme 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.